Dali lang.
Dali lang ta. Wait for me, ha? Para mapaan ka man ito.
Ay.
Pwede ta ka pakanta liwat? Pwede ta ka kanta liwat? Dali lang kanta lang sa amin liwat. Hello guys, it's Maha's birthday, so we have to sing a happy birthday for Maha.
Okay.
It's Maha's 9th birthday. So we'll sing and she has to blow his candle.
Inay lang, inay.
Yay! Picture down, picture down.